Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I got a 2006 Honda CBR1000RR that I want to show you. It's a pretty sweet bike. Kind of a gray and silver metallic. Inline 4-cylinder, liquid cooled, 6-speed, inverted forks. Got new tires on the front and rear. I say new, they're just almost new. Dual front disc brakes. Sliders look good. Monoshock design. Rear tire, you can still see it's got some of the knobs on it as well. Upgraded exhaust, Two Brothers Racing exhaust. Does have a few little spots on it that I'll try to point out to you. Got one little chip right here on the tank, and then a little scratch right there on the tank. Might be one right here. Just a little scuff right in there. Just got a few little signs of wear on it around. Nothing major. Doesn't look like it's ever been down, or none of the plastic is cracked or broken or any of that. Just regular little signs of wear in here. Right here looks like there's some little bubble or something right in there, a little scratch. That might even be a tiny little crack right there. Really looks pretty good. It's a 2006 model. Around here and let you give it a listen right quick. Fire it off. The bike's got 22,015 miles on it. Cranks right up. We ran it through our shop and checked it out. It's ready to ride. That's a fast revving motor. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory online at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world. So it would be easy to get this one to you. If I can get us back in focus here. There we go. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.